Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! For part A, we first find the slope at 3, 1 using the given derivative formula dy dx equals 2 times 3 times 1 over. The equation for the tangent line is y minus 1 equals negative 1 times x minus 3. Substituting x equals 2.9 into this equation yields y approximately 1.1. The expression for dy dx gives d squared y over dx squared equals 2y plus 2x dy dx times 3y squared minus x. Squared minus x squared squared. For part C, evaluating the derivative at 0, negative 2 gives dy dx equals 0 over 12 equals 0, confirming a critical point. Great job working through that. Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.